Hey, what is going on, guys? So I got an awesome review for you today. These are Ghostek Rapture wireless Bluetooth headphones, and honestly, right off the bat, I had these for 7 days. I'm going to tell you that these are my best Bluetooth headphones. Of course, these are also my most expensive ones that I have as well. They're running for $125 now. So what I want to do is I want to go over the particulars, and I'm also going to put some songs on and stuff like that, and I'll put it right up to the mic, and we'll use the Bluetooth function as well as using the actual auxiliary cable. So really fast, let me just show you what it looks like actually on the head here. You have multi-function buttons here all on the side. You also have a share me button here as well. Super comfortable, great leather, good balance, nice, crisp. The bass is nice and tight as well. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Now it comes in several different colors. They sent me the black one and red one, but they also have a brown one as well. And let me show you the box really fast. So here's the front of the box here. You can see that it does have 40mm graphene speakers here. And if I open it up, we can see right here it has HD, crystal clear sound, Bluetooth 4.1 technology, connection up to 30 feet. You have one-step easy pairing. You can connect up to 2 devices using the Share Me function. And of course, the headphones do fold, as you can see here. Now looking over here, we can see that it has soft protein leather, headband and ear cups, folding hinge for storage. You have a multi-function buttons all on the side here, which we will go over shortly. You have the Share Me function, and I like this feature here. You actually have a LED power and battery level, so you know exactly how much juice you have left. You have a built-in HD mic for clear voice calls. You also have a 3.5mm audio jack, and this is great, especially if you guys run out of battery juice. Then you can simply just go ahead and use your auxiliary cable if you wish. And again, down here it says we have the 40mm advanced graphene speaker drivers. And I'll show you the back of the box here, and here's the side. Okay, now let me show you exactly what comes out of the box. Now, of course, you have your auxiliary cable here. You have your micro USB charging cable here. The actual Rapture headphones. And you do have a nice leather case that it comes with as well. Now, I've been using these for like every day for the past 7 days, and I've been trying really hard to drain the battery, and the battery is still on full power. And looking at their website, it does say that you get 24 hours of talk time, 1,000 hours of standby time, and you can play music 23 hours continuously. So you can see the nice leather here, and let me just, it kind of looks plastic, but it's actually like leather, so you can see here. And if we want to move this up and down, the whole ear cups move up and down like this. And there's not too much wiggle room to like the left and right. That's pretty much like all you get. And of course it does fold just like this. And you do have nice leather padding on the ear cups as well as on the top of here as well. And it is nice and stretchy here, as you can see. And I'll show you what the back of here looks like. And then of course, on the other side here, we don't have any buttons. And really quickly, let me just go over some of the buttons here. Now, first thing I want to note is the battery indicator. Not sure if you can see that, but there's like 4 blue lights on here. So we know we have between 75 to 100%. Now, this top plus button here is to increase volume, skip track, or you can hold it down for 2 seconds and reject calls as well. And now this middle button here, this is for pairing, turn off, on, play, pause, and answering phone calls as well as hanging up. And then you have the minus sign down here is to decrease volume, move to the previous track, and if you're on a phone call and you hold it down for 2 seconds, you can mute, and then once you want to unmute, hold it down for 2 seconds again. And then you have a Share Me feature here. And what this Share Me feature is basically, if you have another pair of headphones that have a Share Me feature as well, then you can use both the headphones and listen to the same exact music. But again, the other headphones, regardless if it's another Rapture or not, it has to at least have a Share Me function as well. Now looking below here, we can see the micro USB port here for charging. And here is the auxiliary jack. And like I said, if you ever run out of batteries or you don't want to use the Bluetooth, all you got to do is pop this baby in here, use the other end for your phone, and you're back up and running. So why don't we go ahead and put some music on, and I'm going to put it on the max volume. And what I'm going to try to do is basically put it right up to my mic right here. But of course, it's not going to be the same experience if you actually have it on. But I'm going to give it a try anyway. And we'll do it two ways. We'll listen to music max volume using the Bluetooth as well as the auxiliary cable. So the first thing I want to do is pair this to my iPhone.
Pairing Rapture with device.
And you can see the Rapture down here. Let's go ahead and connect that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some music on, but I'm just going to go ahead and to one of my older YouTube videos, because if I use my Amazon Music, it's going to be copyright music. And I don't want to get another strike on my YouTube account. Okay, so let me go ahead and increase the volume here. If I increase the volume here, you can see that it's increasing the volume on my phone right there. Max volume, guys. You ready for this? Okay, remember that? Now let's do this. Let me go ahead and turn this off.
Rapture off.
It's off. Let's go ahead and plug in the auxiliary cable here. And now I just press play. And remember, if your battery's dead, you can just use the cable, guys. The only thing is when you're using the auxiliary cable, you can't increase and decrease the volume on the actual headphones. You have to use your phone. So let's do this again. So now I'm using the cable. All right, one more time. Let me take these off and do the Bluetooth again.
Rapture on. Pairing Rapture with device.
And let's fire this baby back up again. Well, there you guys go. I just want to give you an idea what it sounds like using the auxiliary cable versus the Bluetooth, because I have other Bluetooth speakers where when I switch it to the auxiliary cable, sometimes the Bluetooth sounds better, sometimes using the auxiliary cable sounds a little bit better. But from my experience with these, they both pretty much sound exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you use the cable or the Bluetooth feature on here. So that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys like this review or have any questions, just comment below. If you guys subscribe, that'll be awesome too. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. And really quickly, I'll go ahead and put these in my bag here, show you what it looks like. Just whip that up, and then you can tie this onto your book bag or whatever you want. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.